Dear students, welcome to CR's digital classes. Today's concept is moving averages method. So in moving averages method, two types of problems you'll be getting always. So for odd period and for even period, in the sense we have to check it out the data. Years they'll be giving, right? So years, if odd number of data if you are getting, we have a slight different method and even one more method. So let us discuss today odd method, in the sense moving averages itself, but based on the data we'll proceed it. So let us check it out. So here we have a question. Let us check it out. Calculate a 7-year moving average for the following data on the number of commercial and industrial failures in a country during 1987 to 2002 they have given. So some data they have given from years 1987 to 2002 they have given, and 7-year moving averages we have to do. So here they will mention 7-year, it's an odd number, right? So 7-year moving average, odd data. So for that, how to deal this moving averages, let us check it out. So generally moving averages, in the sense overall average we'll try to do. Moving means 1 to 1 we are connecting the averages. So title is moving averages method. So even odd, no need of checking it there. Directly they'll mention in the question like 7-year, 4-year, 5-year, like that they will mention. So 7-year odd number, so like odd method. 4-year, 2 years, 3 years, like that, based on the question we have to proceed. They will mention in the question which year we have to do. So here they mentioned as 7 years moving average. Now how to deal that 7-year moving average, let us check it out. Given data, first years they have given, so I wrote in first column all the given years. Then given data, number of failures they have given, so I have written all the data as it is. Now be careful while doing, give proper space for every value, proper like one row of space you leave, because here averages we are doing total of 7 years. So check it out how it goes on. So 7-year, the title you keep here, 7-year moving totals, means every 7-year values you have to add up. So while doing, it's very easy to do totals, just total 777 totals you have to do, but while working it out it will be bit difficult, because first 7 years you have to add up, then the next 7 years, like that you have to go on doing. So while writing itself, be cautious and add on with a bit difference, like a good space in between each year. So I have taken first 7 years, check it out. So where it falls from 23 to, let us count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So up to 93. So first 7 years, 7 years moving, right? So 7 years total I require. So for that title we have given as 7-year moving totals. So first 7 years we have to do the totals. So up to, let us check it out. If you don't take, you'll get confused, because next to 7 you have to go on doing like that. So take a pencil, or make sure like with fingers, or make sure with the pencil you keep correct difference, like 7 years means first 7 years, then next 7 years, like that. So what I have done is I have ticked my first year to the 7th year here, so that I can understand next year how it goes on. So what I have to add here, all the values I have to add. Now where to write, because all 7 years I am adding, first to 7 years is done here. So what we have to do is, in middle of the all the 7 years, in the middle value you have to write. Means 3 upside you leave, first 3 up to here, then next 3, the middle value becomes 1990 becomes a middle year, because 7 years we are doing, right? So exactly up to that 1990 you have to add up. It is for our convenience, so that we don't get confused how we are going to add it up. So exactly in the middle I am writing. Now first 3 are missing, right? So simply keep a dash over there, so that it will be clear for us to do further columns. So I have to add up first 7 values. So I have taken arrow here, so that it will be clear for me. So 23 plus 26 plus 28 plus 32 plus 20 plus 12, again plus 12. So check it out. 7 values I have taken, 7-year values I have added. I have got answer as 153. So first 7 values I have to add because 7 years moving average we are doing. So done with the first value. Now next 7 years we have to do. How to do that? First year we have to avoid. That is 1987 we have to avoid. Next 7 years moving total we have to do. Means start with 1988 and end with 1994. So what we have to do? Remove 23 and then add up 10 here. So next values you have to consider from 26. Now check it out. Here also middle value becomes this 140, where exactly the 1991 value has we got. So like that you have to add up these all values. 26 plus 28 plus 32 plus 20 plus 12 plus 12 plus 10. You will get answer as 140. So keeping an arrow or keeping some dots, maintain every value. Like first value are removing means next the 7th value, the next value you have to add up like that. That is your second value is done. Now for third value, third year, first 2 values you have to avoid. 1987 you have to remove, 1980 or 88 also you should remove. Now next 7 value you have to add up. So from where we have to start? The third value, that is your 28, and average will come here to the 12 and up to 9. So like this, next 7 values you have to add up from 28 to 9. So this is how we'll get the 7-year moving total. Like that, first value you have to remove, the next value you have to add up, 7th next value you have to add up. Like that you have to go on doing until the last value. Last value in the sense where the last value becomes the 7th value. At that point you have to stop. Next, if you go on adding, our data will be lesser, like only 6 values will be there in our hand. So that you should not consider. So last 3 values will be left over. First 3 values, last 3 values will not get, because 777 totals we are going on doing. So last value where exactly 7 values will add up, there you have to stop. And obviously next 3 values will be missing for us. So this is how we'll do 7 yearly moving totals. Next we have to do 7-year moving averages. This is simple. Making totals is a bit difficult one, because 777 years you have to add up and go on adding, leaving front value and taking last value like that. There you have to be a bit careful. Now last column is a bit easier, because simply you have to do the average. Average in the sense simply you have to divide the values with 7. So 153 you have to consider 153 divided by 7, because it's a 7 yearly moving averages we are doing. So average you have to go on doing until the last value. So similarly 140 divided by 7. So 20 you will obtain. Like that, because it's the 7-year moving averages divided by 7 you do, you'll get the 7-year moving average until the last value. And obviously the 3 values are missing here. Here also the first 3 and the last 3, just keep a dash here. So this is how we'll do the 7 yearly moving averages. So first what we have done, simply we have done 7-year moving total. Means every 7-year values you have to go on adding. So first to the 7th value, like that. Now remove first value and add up to the next value, like that, until the last value you have to go on adding. And leftover values, if only 6 values are there, only 5 values are there, you should not consider. 7 means exactly 7 values totals you have to go on doing. So obviously last 3 values will be left over. That is how we will obtain 7-year moving total. Then average, simply whatever the values you got in the before column, that values you have to divide it by 7. You will get the 7-year moving average. So this is how we will do the moving averages concept for 7 years. So hope you have understood this concept. See you all in the next session. Thank you.